Can these two REITs dominate the Singapore retail space? So the two REITs are Frasers Centrepoint Trust and Capitaland Integrated Commercial Trust. I only started learning more about Frasers Centrepoint Trust this year because there were a lot of friends talking about it, and that piqued my interest. So for the financial year 2023, Frasers Centrepoint Trust increased its gross revenue and its net property income. Despite an increasing interest rates, its dividend per unit, also known as the DPU, only shrank by 0.6. And if I were to compare that set of results with CICT, I feel that CICT can do much better. Numbers are the end results, but it is the day-to-day operations that generate this set of results. So if you agree, do hit the like button so that we together can reach a wider audience. If FCT is stable and strong, what is the secret behind her success? Is it the REIT manager? Or is it the location of her assets? Unfortunately, I'm not able to clone the two REIT managers, but we can look at the location of her assets. The aha moment came when I found this map in the appendix of FCT recent results. It is the location of FCT results on a transport network background. I want to bring your attention to the dark colors of the map because those areas are where the resident population density is the densest. And that's what matters to retail tenants and us as REIT owners, because happy tenants, happy owners, happy dividends. That curiosity led me to this question. Since FCT achieved good results due to its location, how will CICT score if I put them side by side? I wonder what are the results. Continue watching. From this merge map, I wanted to observe this point. Are any properties of CICT near to the dark green patches? CICT has 3 assets in the dark green patches. On the left side of the merge map, we have IMM, Westgate, and Bedok Mall. That sounds good. And we have a second tier of dense areas. CICT has Bukit Panjang Plaza and Junction 8. But since the topic is dominating the Singapore retail space, would these two REITs be all you need in your portfolio to dominate the Singapore retail scene? Let me know in the video comments below what you see and think after knowing this information. Is it worthwhile to get FCT now? You can watch this video where I'll share with you why you should be confident and happy to get FCT. And you can subscribe my channel to receive future updates on REITs whenever I launch them. I'll see you in the video.